Hello and welcome to Preschool Storytime. I'm Miss Claire from the Chattanooga Public Library. Preschool Storytime is for children ages 3 to 5, but everyone is welcome. Grown-ups, we would love it if you'd fill out the survey that's linked in the description box below. It helps us know how we're doing and how we can serve you better. Today we have stories about birds, and I have some of my little birds. I have a blue jay, a cardinal, an owl, and a bald eagle. Those are some of the birds we might hear about in our stories today. Our first book is called Birds, and this is one of our new books. It's by Carme Lemniscatis. And it's got wonderful end papers. Look at all those beautiful feathers. And this is published by Candlewick Studio, which is an imprint of Candlewick Press. Birds come in many different colors, shapes, and personalities. Do you have a favorite bird? Some birds are really big. Others are tiny. That's a hummingbird. Some like to show off, while others would rather watch. Some birds are very noisy. Others sing a sweet and tender song. What do you think? Think these are the noisy birds and these singing the sweet and tender song? Some like to go on long journeys. Others like to stay cozy at home. Most like to build nests from branches. Some prefer a roof over their head. But no matter what, nearly all like to have conversations. Tweet, tweet, calls one. Cheep, cheep, replies another. For every call, there is a response. A bird's song is like the loving words of a friend. A happy song that greets us every morning. I love hearing the birds outside my window in the morning. And our hearts sing too, because birds are like good news coming. Or messages of peace. Birds are like thoughts. They come, stay a while, and then fly away. They fly where their hearts call them. Birds are free. They make our imagination soar. Would you like to ride? Do you think you could fly on a bird? It's a pretty big bird, isn't it? And that is the end of birds. I have another bird book for you, and this is one of our I Spy. This is I Spy in the Sky by Edward Gibbs, and it is published by Templar Books, which is also an imprint of Candlewick Press. Do you know what that bird is on the cover? You'll see. I spy with my little eye something with purple feathers and small wings. I like to drink nectar from flowers. What do you think that is? I'm a hummingbird. I spy with my little eye something with black feathers and big wings. My head can change color. I'm a condor. I spy with my little eye something with blue feathers and a short bill. Polly wants a cracker? Do you remember the bird on the cover? I'm a parrot. I spy with my little eye something with white feathers and a long bill. I like to fish for my food. Any guesses about what that is? I'm a pelican. I spy with my little eye something with brown feathers that flies very high. I have sharp talons. I'm an eagle. It's a fierce-looking eagle, isn't it? I spy with my little eye something with multicolored feathers that flies low to the ground. My tail is called a train. Have you guessed? I'm a peacock. I spy with my little eye something with gray feathers that sleeps when it's light and flies when it's dark. Ooh, ooh. I'm an owl, and I spy you. What can you spy with your little eye? Miss Claire's looking at all of you. That's I Spy in the Sky by Edward Gibbs. We have several I Spy books. The Farm, the Sea, Pets, lots of fun things. Are you ready for a flannel board? This is a big blue bird. And this is 5 little ladybugs. 5 little ladybugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little ladybugs sitting on a leaf, soaking in the sunshine and the soft, warm breeze. Uh-oh. Along came Mr. Bird, as quiet as can be, and snatched a ladybug off of that leaf. 4 little ladybugs sitting on a leaf, soaking up the sunshine in the warm, soft breeze. Along came Mr. Bird, as quiet as can be, and snatched a ladybug off of the leaf. 3 little ladybugs sitting on a leaf, soaking up the sunshine and the soft, warm breeze. Along came Mr. Bird, as quiet as can be, and snatched that ladybug off of that leaf. We have 2 little ladybugs sitting on a leaf, soaking up the sunshine and the soft, warm breeze. Along came Mr. Bird, as quiet as can be, and snatched that ladybug off of that leaf. 1 little ladybug sitting on a leaf, soaking up the sunshine and the soft, warm breeze. Along came Mr. Bird, as quiet as can be, and snatched that ladybug off of that leaf. No more ladybugs sitting on a leaf. Well, that must have been a very hungry bird. I have another book for you by Kevin Hankes called Birds, and it is illustrated by Laura Gronzek. And it is illustrated. It is published by Green Willow Books. And it's dedicated for our parents and our children. In the morning, I hear birds singing through the open window. Tweet, 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 tweet. Birds can be yellow or blue or brown or red or even green, I think. What do you think? Sometimes they are black. Sometimes they are so black that you can't see their eyes or their feathers, just their shapes. What kind of birds do you think those are? Birds can be big or little. Is that a flamingo? It's a hummingbird? Or any size in between. Once I saw 7 birds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, on the telephone wire. They didn't move. They didn't move. And they didn't move. I looked away for just a second, and they were gone. Where did they go? If birds made marks with their tail feathers when they flew, think what the sky would look like. That would be pretty cool if they could do that. You'd see all the different ways they fly. If the clouds were birds, the sky would look like this or this. Those look like swans, don't they? Their heads tucked in. Sometimes in winter, a bird in a tree looks like one red leaf left over. Can you see the one red leaf or the red bird? If there are lots of birds in one tree and they all fly away at the same time, it looks like the tree yelled, "Surprise!" If I were a bird, I'd ask where all the other birds go when it's stormy and they can't get home to their nests. Where do you think birds go? I like to pretend I'm a bird. I can't really fly, but I can do this. I can sing. Do you ever sing in the morning when you hear the birds? You sing to the birds? Pretend you're a bird, say tweet, 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 and get them to answer you. This is Birds by Kevin Henkes. And I have another flannel for you about birds. I know that's a surprise, right? Let's see if we can put up. We have a bluebird, a purple, Miss Claire, yellow. What else do we have? Red. Oop. I'm going to slide right off. I didn't press it down hard enough. Brown and green. We have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 birds. 5 little birdies flying round our door. The blue one flew away. And then there were 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little birdies sitting in a tree. Which one? The yellow one flew away. And then there were 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 little birdies didn't know what to do. The red one flew away. And then there were 2. 2 little birdies sitting in the sun. The brown one flew away. And then there was 1. What color is this one? The little green birdie felt so all alone. He flew away. And then there were none. But later on that very same day, if I get them all up here, 5 little birdies came back to play. Whoop, and there's our 5 birds. We have blue, yellow, red, brown, and green. That's pretty good. Thank you so much for helping me with this. Our last story is called Uh-Oh, Dodo by Jennifer Sattler. This is a little dodo bird. He's cutie, isn't he? And it is published by Boyd's Mill Press. This is Dodo. Dodo loves to walk with his mama. Today they are going someplace really special. Dodo's feet are ready for an adventure. He can't believe his toes are so talented. Uh-oh, Dodo. When he walks, Dodo likes to sing loudly for everyone to enjoy. Uh-oh, Dodo. Well, almost everyone. Why doesn't this bird want him to sing loudly? The baby's sleeping. Dodo sees some funny-shaped rocks, and this gets him thinking, why not start a funny-shaped rock collection? Uh-oh, Dodo. Not all of the rocks will cooperate. I don't think they were all rocks, were they? I saw some berries, some acorns, an egg, a ladybug. Dodo is very good at making friends. Who does he see? A little caterpillar? A butterfly? A fish? He's friends with everyone. Hello, friend. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Dodo. Mama! Sometimes Dodo holds onto a leg that isn't his mama's. Who is that? Looks like an ostrich. Uh-oh, Dodo. That is a little scary. Mama! But Mama is always close by. Dodo. Come on, Dodo. We're almost there. Now, Dodo, says Mama, when we get to the top, no peeking. Okay, open your eyes, Dodo. That's a beautiful scene, isn't it? After an exciting day, it's time for the long walk home. Uh-oh, Dodo. What do you think's going to happen? Ah, Dodo. Look, he gets carried by his mama. Sometimes that's the best. It's Uh-oh, Dodo by Jennifer Sattler. Thank you so much for joining me for our stories about birds. I hope to see you next time. Have a great week.